Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So another day, we were a little bit choppy after that huge run-up, but we did get a little bit of volatility midday there too. Calls remained above puts once again, and we finished with our third green DEX in a row. Jumping into our whale targets and our customer sentiment. During today's pump up, customers got bearish once again. They're back in short the pop mode after we hit another new all-time high. Feels like just about every session these days, we just have to wait about 30 minutes before we see a new one. Interesting look at whale targets, 630 and 660. Quite the gap there. $30 range currently with that whale support down at 630. So with FOMC coming up, FOMC as I like to call it, keep an eye on any volatility that can give us some fast moves. Jumping into our gamma, let me take a look real quick and see where SPY is in the overnight session. Give me 1 second here. We are sitting at 660.71, so still quite a run up. So 660.71 puts us, let me zoom in here a little bit because all of us could use a little clearer picture. We're about right here. Would like to point out that we have a very thin range, very wide range, from 645 all the way up to 668 on the ag. Biggest pull is 658, not any green repel levels in between there. So very interesting to see, just a big wild range. Let's jump into tomorrow and see what that brings our pre-FOMC day and see what that brings us. So tomorrow, interesting look, an actual another wide range, 662 down to 654, with the biggest pull on the board being 656. So if we can get some volatility and trade between these goalposts, that is a massive, massive move right there if we don't end up chopping over 662, and we could pin back around kind of in this range right here. Would not be ideal to trade between 664 and 662. Ideally, we'd want to see a nice coverage of this range. Let's see how tomorrow pans out for us pre-FOMC, and keep an eye on these huge goalposts right here and that big range. That's all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.